Writing terms of a geometric sequences. Now that we can identify a geometric sequence, we will learn how to find the terms of a geometric sequence if we are given the first term and the common ratio. The terms of a geometric sequence can be found by beginning with the first term and multiplying by the common ratio repeatedly. So for instance, if the first term of a geometric sequence is -2 and the common ratio is 4, r is equal to 4, we can find subsequent terms by multiplying -2 times 4 to get -8, and then multiplying the result -8 times 4 to get -32, and so on. So in this case here, we can look at the first term. The first term is -2. So we're going to take -2 and then multiply it by the common ratio, which is 4, to get -8. And then we're going to take -8 and now multiply it by the common ratio to get -32, and that's our third term. And then we're going to take -32 and again multiply it by the common ratio of 4, and that gives us -128. So the first four terms are -2, -8, -32, and -128. So if we're given the first term and the common factor, find the first four terms of a geometric sequence. Step 1, we're going to multiply the initial term, the first term, by the common ratio to find the next term, a subscript 2. We're going to repeat the process using a subscript n equals a subscript 2 to find the third term, and then we're going to take the third term to find the fourth term until all four terms have been identified. And then we're going to write the terms separated by commas within brackets. So for example 2, we're writing the terms of a geometric sequence. So we're going to list the first four terms of the geometric sequence, with the first term being 5 and the common ratio r is -2. So in step 1, we're going to take the first term and then multiply that by -2 to find the second term, and then repeat the process. So we know the first term is 5. So we're going to take the common ratio, which is -2, and multiply it by the first term, which is 5. So -2 times 5 gives us -10. Then we're going to take -2, and then we're going to multiply it by the second term, which is -10. And so -2 times -10 is 20. And then we're going to again take the common ratio and now multiply it by the third term, which is 20. So -2 times 20 is -40. So now we can see that the first four terms are 5, -10, +20, and -40.